In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Quip document to PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF that preserves your formatting and is easy to send, print, or archive. First, open the Quip document you want to export. You can do this from your recent documents or by searching within Quip. Take a moment to skim the content and make sure everything looks the way you want it to in a fixed layout. PDFs take a snapshot of your document, so headings, images, and tables should be exactly how you want them before you proceed. Next, go to the top menu and choose Document, then Export, and select PDF. If your window is narrow or you're using the web app, this option may be under a three-dot or more menu, but it will be labeled the same way. Clicking PDF opens the Export dialog. In the Export dialog, you may see options like including comments or attachments. Pick only what you actually need. Including comments is great for review copies, but for final versions, you'll usually keep them off to avoid clutter. If your document has large attachments, remember that embedding or linking them can increase the file size or add pages to the end of the PDF. Some workspaces also offer layout or page settings here. Choose portrait or landscape and any other available preferences that match your document's design. When you're ready, click Export. Quip will generate the PDF automatically. For longer documents, give it a moment to process. You'll see a prompt when it's finished. Finally, save the PDF to your computer when prompted. Choose a folder you'll remember, like Desktop or Documents, and give the file a clear name that reflects the content and version, such as Project Plan V2. Keep the PDF extension and avoid special characters that some systems don't like. If you prefer, you can save directly to a synced cloud folder so it's accessible across devices. If you don't see a save prompt, check your browser's download shelf or the default downloads folder. The file may already be there. If a pop-up blocker is on, allow downloads from Quip so the export can finish. That's all there is to it. Open the saved PDF to confirm it looks right, and that any options you selected, like comments or attachments, appear as expected. You now have a polished, portable version of your Quip document ready to share, print, or file away. If this walkthrough helped, you're ready to repeat the same process for any document you want to export.